Hey, good morning, Carol. This is Tim Border with J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. This is the 2016 Chevrolet Trax LT. It's a front-wheel drive, 26,179 miles. One owner with an excellent Carfax report, 34 miles per gallon. Has the 1.4 liter four-cylinder engine. It is in champagne silver metallic with the ebony interior, alloy wheels, factory remote start. I thought this might be an easier way of giving you a little more accurate color because sometimes the pictures and stuff on the internet don't do vehicles justice. But this does have the black cloth. It's more of a dark charcoal gray. It does have the accent stitching. It does have the design on the insets. Your driver information center and everything pops up here. Your cruise control, Bluetooth hands-free phone, Chevy MyLink radio with backup camera, AM/FM radio, also has satellite radio, your heating and air conditioning controls, automatic transmission. This is a front wheel drive, automatic headlamps, the control for your driver information center. Does have the Bose audio system, power windows, locks, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, 5-passenger seating. The lens for your backup camera. It's an LT. Lots and lots of storage space in here. Oh, somebody left a set of jumper cables in here. I just have to hang on to those. Grocery bag hooks. Latch system for child safety seats. Little storage pocket here. Your spare and all the tools are down underneath. Rear defrost, your antenna. I am a big fan of the champagne silver. I think it's an awesome color, super easy to keep clean. Then it has the painted alloy wheels, your fuel door, 1.4 liter turbo, 34 miles per gallon. It does carry the remainder of the factory warranty, which is 3 years, 36,000 miles, and 5 years, 60,000 on the bumper to bumper, and 560 on the powertrain, which is the engine, transmission, the drive components, stuff that makes it go. Projector beam headlamps. It was internet special price at only $16,952, but I'm able to save you a little bit of money off of that. So I'm going to send this to you in an email. Hope you're having a great Monday. Take a look at it. Let's set up a time to talk. I'll give you a demonstration of the vehicle, have you take it for a drive, and we'll see about sending you home in it. Thanks, Carol. Bye.